Hello guys, how are you all? Hope you all good. So today we are back with our new tutorial, and before starting the tutorial, I want to say you something guys. This is my first facecam video and hope you guys are enjoying this video. And I did my facecam. I am starting the tutorials with my facecam video guys because I think it will be more easier to explain you guys with the facecam, and I have seen more of the educators doing their face cam with their tutorials, so I thought I should also do it. And if you need anything more to improve in my videos, please put it down in the comments. And yeah, let's start the tutorial now. So guys, what we are discussing problem A of education round 101 rated for Div 2 contest. Okay, so let's start the problem statement guys. So the problem statement is really simple guys. What the problem statement is saying is we are given a string consisting of opening parenthesis, closing parenthesis and question mark. Okay, we are given a string consisting of opening brackets, basically closing brackets and a question mark. So we need to make that string as an RBS. Okay, as an RBS string. RBS system, those who don't know what is RBS, suppose we are given a string like this. We need to check that this is RBS or not. Okay, so this is what a simple bracket system like this. Suppose opening bracket, then closing bracket, opening bracket, then closing bracket. Okay, and what are non-RBS? Suppose we put a closing bracket, okay, like this, a closing bracket before an opening bracket. Okay, suppose we have put an closing bracket, so before an opening bracket, then it is wrong because we are closing nothing. Okay, so this is wrong. And same like if we are doing like this is a string guys, suppose this much, and we are putting opening bracket here and we are not putting any closing bracket, then this is also wrong. Okay guys, this is also wrong. So we need to make this string that is given here as a RBS string. Okay, and what operation we can do in the RBS string is those question mark which we have given here, we can change them to the opening bracket or to the closing bracket. Okay guys, and there is one more condition, that in the whole string there is exactly one opening bracket and exactly one closing bracket. Okay, so let me tell you the logic for this problem now. So what we can do here is yeah, here I can tell. So what we can do here is, suppose we are given a string like this, question mark, closing bracket, then question mark. Okay, so we will first check that if we are starting our first index of the string is starting with a closing bracket, then we will put then we will tell that this is not possible. And so I think I don't tell you that what is problem asking. Problem is asking that we can make this RBS or not. Okay, so that this much only problem is asking. So we need to know what is the rule for that. So we will change this. We will first check if the first element is closing bracket or not. If it is closing bracket, then this means this is not possible. Okay guys, because if we are starting with only closing bracket, then this is the wrong thing. And another thing also, we will check that if the last is not a opening bracket. Okay, if the last element is also not a opening bracket. Okay, and the third thing and the last thing that we need to notice is the question marks that we are given here. is even. Okay guys, the question marks that we are given is even. If they are odd, then we cannot make it. So this much is the logic and three conditions. Let me tell you the code for this problem. So here's the code guys. The code says that you are given a we will take a string as an input, and we will check that if the 0th means the first element of the string is opening bracket, or the last element of the string is closing bracket, then we will print no, that we have known. And if the count of the question marks are even, then we will print yes, else we will print no, because if the count of the question marks are odd, then we will print of course not. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe the channel. And if you need anything help from me, put it down in the comments below. I will definitely reply to it guys. So thanks for watching guys. Meet you guys next time. Till then, bye.